Before I teach you these tricks, let's see how fast your brain really is. 248 times 25. You have 5 seconds. Still calculating? Don't worry. If you can't solve it right now, by the end of this video, questions like this will feel incredibly easy. Today, you will unlock 4 mental math tricks. Each one gets harder and each one will make your calculation much faster. Let's begin. Multiply by 5. The rule is simple. Divide by 2, then multiply by 10. Or simply half the number, then add 1 zero. Let's actually test it. 46 times 5. Half of 46 is 23. Add 1 zero. The result is 230. Boom. That's easy, right? Let's check with another question. 73 times 5. Half of 73 is 36.5. Move the decimal one place right. It will become 365. So, rule works for both even and odd numbers. Now try to solve the following using same rule. 248 times 5. You have exactly 5 seconds. Time's up. Here is the answer. Half of the 248 is 124. Add 1 zero. That's 1240. If you got right, congratulations. You have mastered multiplication of any number by 5. Now let's move to multiply by 50. 50 is simply half of 100. So divide by 2, then multiply by 100. Or half the number and add 2 zeros. Let's try it. 18 times 50. Half of 18 is 9 and add 2 zeros. 900. Perfect. We will try with another example. 35 times 50. Half of 35 is 17.5. Move the decimal 2 places right. 1750. Now let's try to solve by following the same rule. 642 times 50. You have 5 seconds. Let's check. Half of 642 is 321 and add 2 zeros. 3200. That's it. Next, multiply by 25. This looks scary, but it's actually easier. 25 is 1/4 of 100. So the rule is divide by 4, then add 2 zeros. Let's test it with 24 times 25. 24 divided by 4 is 6 and add 2 zeros. 600. Another question. 18 times 25. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. Move the two decimal places. 450. Now try to solve the question. 124 times 25. Let's solve it. 124 divided by 4 is 31. Add 2 zeros. 3100. Now let's move to multiply by 125. 125 looks difficult, but here is the trick. 125 is 1/8 of 1000. So divided by 8, then add 3 zeros. Let's see. 32 times 125. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And add 3 zeros. 4000. Another question. 96 times 125. 96 divided by 8 is 12. Add 3 zeros. That is equal to 12,000. Now let's see. If you solve these questions, you have mastered the trick. 18 times 125. You have 5 seconds. Let's solve it together. 18 divided by 8 is 2.25. Now move the decimal 3 places to the right. 2250. Congratulations. You have mastered multiplication of any number by 5, 25, 50 and 25. Before you leave, one last challenge. 16 times 125. Don't use a calculator. Comment your answer below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Brain Hacks Math and I will see you in the next one.